All right, here's my project. Ninebot, I guess you call it German spec. It's limited to 20 kilometers. The first video I tried putting the front controller on the rear motor because that's the only one I could find that works. So supposedly the kit that came with it, 2 controllers, only works with these and the other motor. So we'll figure it out. I gotta put this together, see if it works. So right now I'm having this issue when you turn this on. By the way, this is the piece that came with the dual drive. Here's the other one. Supposedly this one works. And I'm assuming the front red light is power because when I tap this part or the throttle, this one will move. See? And then I don't know if I have to move that, but that one's not getting any power. This is how I have it hooked up. This one's hooked up to the rear. This is the controller. And then they're linked. I don't know what else I'm missing. So I'm gonna swap the controllers, see what happens. All right, now I swapped the controllers. I put one in the back, I put 2 in the front, as you can see right here. And the front is still showing red, but it's not moving. But when I move the throttle, no, the rear works. I don't know if it's a controller. And I don't know if red is faulty. This thing didn't come with instructions, so I don't know. We'll ask the guy who sold it to me. By the way, everything works. Where's the light? Bam. Light works. Brake works too. I have the brake somewhere. Here it is. All right, that's it for today. Nothing happened. No big progress. So I sent a video to Croxney, where I bought it from. I think that's his name. I don't know his real name. Anyway, so all the display works now, no error like before. But I couldn't fit the front. I had to shave this, but I guess I didn't shave it enough. I need a better file. My Dremel didn't have the right bit. It was giving me cuts. All right, so this side is too big. That side is too big. It won't fit in here. The original front tire or wheel fits. It's in there now. Oh yeah, I'm using this foam. It came with the Shark set because the battery and the bracket, it's kind of loose inside. So the bracket is too big, so I had to put some insulation to hold it down. So these are the old parts. All right. Gotta go to my 3-hour drive back to work, or tomorrow, back to my hotel.